No matter what your budget, your body type, or your color palette, I have a wardrobe from scratch for you in today's video. Hello, this is Netta. Welcome back to my channel. My whole goal for this channel is to help you build a wardrobe and a style that you love. So you look beautiful, you feel confident every single day. So today I'm specifically talking about building a wardrobe. And I'm really excited to share a couple of new resources, free resources for you that I think will help you do just that. So a wardrobe from scratch is a service that I offer as a personal stylist. I offer to my clients, and it's a higher end service because it takes a lot of work. If you have gone through some kind of transition with your wardrobe, with your body type, with your like you've moved, your lifestyle has changed, and you feel like your old wardrobe just doesn't serve you anymore, and you need a fresh start, that's what the wardrobe from scratch service is. And I thought, how can I do the wardrobe from scratch but on YouTube? And really what I wanted to do was to create a collection for you that can help you get that turnkey wardrobe that will suit you wherever you're at. So your body type, your budget, your coloring, there's a wardrobe here for every one of you. And this is something I've spent a lot of time on in recent weeks because that's a lot of items. I think I have found approximately 973 million items in these wardrobes from scratch that I've created, and I'm really excited to be sharing it with you today. So first of all, the very first step to accessing your wardrobe from scratch is to do my body type video series. If you've already done my body type video series, then you will already have access to my brand new updated catalogs. So the body type video series is free, nettamanley.com/body type. You'll get access to the video series. And not only does it talk you through the process of discovering your unique body type, which, by the way, the system that I use does not change if your weight changes. So there's no reason to wait to do your body type analysis later. Do it now so you can start dressing for it now. Often, style is a catalyst to other goals. So if you're on a weight loss journey or whatever, go ahead and figure out that body type now and we'll help you get there together, right? So the body type system that I use also doesn't categorize you as a geometric shape or a fruit. Instead, it's very neutral. It's just a color. Your body type red or orange or green or purple or yellow or red. Did I say that already? I'm missing one. But 6 different body type colors. So nettamanley.com/body type. Now what will happen when you go through the body type video series is you're going to get a downloadable cheat sheet that will give you strategies for flattering your unique body type. All the body types are beautiful. All the body types are beautiful. There's no good or bad body type. It's just the way that you were beautifully and uniquely designed by God. And so these cheat sheets are really they're downloads that will help you dress the body that you have right now. In addition to that, you're also going to get access to my wardrobe from scratch catalogs. So there is one for every body type. And today I'm going to be showing you what a wardrobe from scratch looks like in the red body type. Red happens to be my body type. It's a proportional body type. It simply means that your shoulders and hips are about the same width and your waist is defined. So if you're a red body type like me, let me know in the comments. But what this is going to do is it's going to show you how to very systematically build a wardrobe that checks all of the boxes. And we're going to start with 12 key essentials. So we're looking at your wardrobe as this project, as a process. And the first step that we're all taking together is we're going to assess your own wardrobe for essentials, and you're going to fill in the blanks in your wardrobe with the essentials that I'm featuring, like in the wardrobe from scratch and in the respective body type catalogs. So every body type catalog features a wardrobe from scratch, which is a collection of 12 essential items for every budget and every coloring. So in your red body type catalog, you're going to see different price point options and you're going to see different color palette options. So let me tell you what the 12 essential pieces in a wardrobe from scratch are. Now there are 5 tops: a tee, a tank or a sleeveless top, a blouse, a sweater, and a button down. 3 bottoms, a pair of jeans, a pair of neutral pants, and a neutral skirt. And then 3 jackets, a casual jacket, a dressier jacket, and a cardigan. And then finally a dress or a jumpsuit. So those are the 12 key building block wardrobe pieces that you would need if you were starting over with your wardrobe, and that you'll need now if you're trying to update your wardrobe for fall and winter. So my encouragement, I'm going to have this list in the description box and in the blog post that's linked underneath this video. If you're ever wondering how to find the description box, at the end of the title of the video it says more. You click on that, it opens up the description box, and I'll have the link to everything there. So there's that checklist of those 12 pieces, the 5 tops, 3 bottoms, 3 jackets, and a dress. And you're going to go into your own closet first. Always going to start with what you have. And you're going to see which of these pieces you already have that you can use as the foundation for your new fall from scratch wardrobe. And you're going to start with those pieces, and then you're going to use my catalogs to fill in the blanks. These are pieces that are not just haphazardly chosen. These are pieces that are tried and true. Many of these pieces have been vetted for you by my Ageless Style program members, by my Netta Manley Style VIP community, and by me. These are pieces that I've heard feedback about over the years, and many of them are things that we have already tried. Of course, there's some fun new items in there as well, but the key items are pieces that we have vetted for you, we have tried for you, and we know work for you. So for example, as a body type orange, you have a big difference between your waist and your hips. So your waist is considerably smaller than your hips, and so the right pair of jeans is going to be really important to you, and it's going to look very different than a pair of jeans for a body type blue, which is a straighter body type. So we took all of that into account, and all of these pieces are chosen specifically for those respective body types. So now we've got our checklist of the 12 essential items. So in addition to body type, each of the catalogs has 3 different price points. So I did them the same way that they do restaurant reviews. There's a $1 sign, a $2 sign, and a $3 sign budget. The $1 sign budget is Old Navy, H&M, Uniqlo, that sort of price point. I'll probably have some Walmart in there. The medium priced, the medium budget category is like J. Crew, Loft, some Nordstrom, some of those mall stores that are popular stores. There will also be plenty of international resources in these catalogs as well for those of you who are not in the US. And then the top tier is going to be brands like Kuyana, some of the higher end contemporary brands like Vince, and like Eileen Fisher, Frank and Eileen. Those are the brands that are going to be at that higher end price point, generally items that are above $150. So that is those are the 3 budgets. So we've talked about, all the body types are represented. In each of the body type catalogs, there are 3 budgets, and then there are 3 color palettes. I'm going to review the color palettes for you really quickly here. You can choose your color palette, you can choose your price range, and shop your essentials in a streamlined way so that you know that you're buying pieces that are going to work in your wardrobe, that are going to give you that versatility, that are going to give you the ability to mix and match. The 3 color palettes include the black and white with a little smattering of gray color palette. That is for those of you who are in my style programs or who've been color typed by me. That is for a deep or clear color category. So black, white with a little bit of gray in it. The second color palette is navy and either cream or white. That is the best color palette for if you have soft, fresh, light, or cool coloring. Those are going to be that navy and cream or navy and white is going to be a great color palette for you. And then the final one is if you have warm coloring, and that is chocolate, camel, and cream. The 3 C's, chocolate, camel, and cream. So 3 different color palettes, 3 different budgets, and you can shop your wardrobe from scratch in a way that's really going to suit you where you're at right now. So my guidance always, if you're in a weight transition, don't shop the high-end pieces. Get them from Old Navy or H&M or Walmart, wherever your favorite essentials come from. Shop the essentials catalog at the lower end of the price point. And then when you are ready to upgrade and you reach your goal weight, then you can go for the medium or higher end items if you choose to do so. And you may find that you love some of those more affordable items. So look for a realistic price point where you can comfortably acquire all the pieces that you need to kick off your wardrobe for fall. Okay, I'm going to show you what this wardrobe from scratch looks like in the red catalog. Again, this happens to be my catalog. If you're a red, let me know in the comments below. Say, I'm a red body type too. Red is just simply someone with a proportional shoulders to hips and a defined waist. I'm going to show you the 3 color palettes, 3 different wardrobes from scratch, so that you can get an idea what this is going to look like and how game-changing this can be for your own wardrobe. Again, if you have not signed up for my body type video series, do it as soon as this video is done, because you're going to want to access these catalogs. I don't know if I mentioned this already, but every Monday, these catalogs will be updated. We're starting with these essential items, and then we're going to add the statement items, the trend items, the fun items as the season progresses, and really make it a system for you to build out your own wardrobe. Okay, so let me show you the some of the red outfits. So the first one, the first wardrobe from scratch that I'm going to show you is the navy and cream color palette wardrobe. That we're going to stay with the lower priced essentials for this one. And so the first 9 essentials I'm going to show you in this wardrobe, most of these are from Old Navy with, like I said, some H&M and some Uniqlo. This includes a navy blazer, a beautiful cream colored button down blouse, a navy v-neck cardigan. Again, all of these pieces are chosen with this specific body type in mind. A cream v-neck sweater, a cream v-neck tank, a navy v-neck t-shirt, a navy pleated skirt, like a knife pleated skirt, a pair of jeans. Every color palette has denim in it. That's the universal color. It's the bonus neutral that you all get, and then a navy pair of pants. The 3 additional items in this wardrobe include a navy dress. This is a great classic shirt dress style that you can dress up or down. Definitely can give you that European look. A cream utility jacket, and then a beautiful off-white short sleeve blouse. So those are the 12 essential items for the navy and cream color palette at the lower budget category. Okay, let's look at the brown, camel, and cream color palette. If that's your color palette, and we're going to go for the middle of the road price-wise. So these are primarily J. Crew items with a little bit of Nordstrom thrown in. We're going to start with the essentials. So the pieces that I have here include a chocolate brown V-neck sweater, a beautiful camel blazer. I think this is the Regent blazer from J. Crew. This piece, this next jacket, it's a cream crochet jacket from Nordstrom that I feel like every single person who can wear cream needs this jacket. It is such a cool fall transitional piece. It's fabulous for adding texture and interest without any color. I just absolutely love it. So that's another essential piece in this wardrobe from scratch. We've got a camel v-neck tee, we've got a camel cami, and then a camel v-neck sweater, an off-white, kind of more like a beige button-down shirt, a camel silky slip skirt, and then a pair of cream slightly boot cut style pants. So those are the first 9 pieces in this collection. Now we're going to look at the final 3 pieces. Include this beautiful chocolate brown belted dress, very classic style, very easy to transition. You can buy this now, wear it later. It's perfect for summer to fall. Then a rust brown blouse, and then a pair of jeans. So those are the 12 wardrobe from scratch wardrobe essentials for medium budget and warm color palette. So chocolate brown, camel, and cream. Let me know if this is your color palette in the comments below. Are you a navy, gray, and cream person? Because I'll be throwing some gray into that. Are you a chocolate, camel, and cream person? Or are you a black, white, and gray person like I am? That is for the deep and clear coloring, and I'm going to show you that next. So for the deep and clear color palette of black and white, I'm going to show you again the mid-priced items, because some of these I just really have to point out. I love them. So we're going to start with a pair of black wide leg pants. Wide leg pants are really one of those silhouettes that work. Other details taken into account, the rise and everything, but they work on almost everybody. A black blazer, a white cami, a denim jacket. Again, denim is that go-to neutral. That's your freebie neutral. A black V-neck sweater, a white button-down shirt, a pair of jeans, a black kind of midi skirt, and a black V-neck cardigan. The other three pieces include this black V-neck dress. I think this is the perfect versatile black dress. So whether your color is chocolate, your dark neutral of choice is chocolate or navy or black, you want a versatile dark neutral dress in that color, because you want a dress, especially if you're rebuilding your wardrobe and you don't want to buy a lot all at one time, you want a dress that you can wear now and you can wear later. You can dress up to go to church or to an event. You can dress down with flat sandals to go to the grocery store. You want a dress with that kind of versatility, and this dress has it. It's from J. Crew. I absolutely love it. So a versatile dark neutral dress is definitely that. The dresses that I'm showing here are all designed to check that box for you. So this black dress, then this beautiful black button-down short-sleeved smock shirt. It's got like a smock texture on it that I think is super, super cool. And then a black V-neck t-shirt. So those are the 12 wardrobe from scratch essentials in the black and white color palette at the medium price point. So I covered a lot. It was a shorter video, but I still covered a lot. Talked about how to build your own wardrobe from scratch. You start with your body type, you look at your budget, and you choose your color palette. And then you find those 12 wardrobe building essentials in that that check those boxes for you. Or you sign up for my free body type series and you let me do it for you. Because like I said, I put a lot of time into this series, and these are pieces that I stand behind and I know that you are going to love. We're going to build your wardrobe together going into fall. We're going to start by making sure everybody has these essentials, and then we're going to take, and of course you can tweak these essentials so that they suit you. If you're not a t-shirt person, maybe it's a short sleeve top. You always want to step back and look at the broadest definition of these pieces. So a tank is really just a sleeveless top. A t-shirt is really just a short sleeve top. You know, a blouse is just, it can be any kind of blouse. You want to make it your own. We're going to start with these 12 wardrobe from scratch essentials, and then we're going to continue to build on them as the year goes on. Don't forget, after you complete the body type series and you get access to your catalog, I want you to bookmark it and check back every Monday, as I'll be updating it and adding new pieces that you can consider bringing into your wardrobe to create the wardrobe of your dreams that gives you confidence, makes you feel and look beautiful, and checks all of those boxes for you. So I love you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, because then we can hang out more here on YouTube, which I love. And comment below, let me know what you think of this type of video, and if you'd like to see more practical wardrobe building videos like this in the future. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.